In today's video, I'll teach you how to show or hide libraries in navigation pane of File Explorer in Windows 10 or 11. So first of all, what you have to do is simply open the File Explorer. You can see over here I've already opened it. Now over here you can see the navigation pane. At top you can see various options over here. Make sure to select this option for view. Now over here you can see various options. At first you can see this option for navigation pane. So what you have to do is click on it. Now you can see four options over here. At fourth you can see this option for show libraries. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here the libraries option is visible. If you want to hide it, click on this option navigation pane again. After that again click on this option show libraries. Now after that you can see over here the libraries option has been hidden. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you show or hide libraries in navigation pane of File Explorer in Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.